Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Darwinex. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Darwinex is a no-dealing desk FCA-regulated Forex broker based in the United Kingdom. This company was founded in 2012, and they have thousands of clients from more than 80 countries around the world. With Darwinex, you will have direct access to the markets and benefit from low network latency and tight spreads, starting as low as 0 pips. Prices are sourced directly from LMAX and Saxo Bank, and there are over 300 tradable instruments on offer. Darwinex not only guarantees deposit protection of the standard £85,000, but they have invested in an additional policy that protects clients for up to £1 million, which should reassure you that they are completely safe to trade with, and they prioritize client protection. Darwinex is popular for having advanced risk management algorithms and thousands of high-quality trading strategies that you can follow. The DARWIN API suite can be used to create and automate complex trading strategies, manage orders automatically, build statistical indicators, analyze underlying markets, and it can also be used to build trading robots. The Darwinex website is simplistic and straightforward. Their main features are highlighted on the landing page, and you can use the menu bar to access any additional information about their platforms, accounts, and features. To view a list of Darwinex's tradable instruments, simply hover your cursor over the Trading tab and click on Assets and Spreads. You will be redirected to a page where you can view the contract specifications for all the products they offer. Darwinex currently offers more than 40 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0.5 pips. You can reach the Darwinex customer support team via email or telephonically. They do not currently offer live chat, but you can submit a web ticket directly from the website, or you can visit their FAQ section. Darwinex does not currently offer a welcome bonus, however they do offer an exceptional program for professional traders and strategy providers, which can be highly profitable if your strategies are successful and reliable. As a Darwinex client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. However, you can also use the DARWIN API and Fix API, and users of the Zoro trading platform can connect to Darwinex using their bridging solutions. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world today. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and you can download these platforms free of charge. You can also use DARWIN API, which is Darwinex's advanced trade automation suite that comes with a variety of built-in tools and features that makes it easy to develop, test and deploy complex trading strategies, order management systems, and trading robots. To further improve their algorithmic trading capabilities, Darwinex also uses a Fix API stack, which is essentially a protocol that provides a framework for straight-through processing transaction models and standardizes the exchange of any securities transactions between parties. Darwinex offers 3 types of live trading accounts and a demo account. They do not currently offer swap-free accounts though, but the option to convert your account may become possible in the future. The minimum first deposit for individual and joint accounts is €500, Great British Pounds or US dollars, and the minimum first deposit for corporate accounts is €10,000, Great British Pounds or US dollars. There is one standard retail account that is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners, and this account can be used to trade more than 300 Forex pairs, indices, commodities, US stocks, and ETFs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. If you are trading for the very first time, we advise you to proceed with caution, because the minimum deposit can be high risk for absolute beginners. Instead, you should open a demo account so that you can practice and learn the basics of trading before you invest any real money. In addition to the retail account, there are 3 types of professional accounts that are designed specifically for trading stocks and futures. The classic account can be used to invest in both stocks and futures. A minimum commission fee of $0.5 per order is charged when trading stocks, and commission fees on futures are very low. The Darwin Stocks account can be used to trade more than 800 US stocks, and the Darwin Futures account offers 63 tradable futures. Both these accounts are eligible to list Darwin, which means that you will be eligible to participate in the monthly Darwinia capital allocation pool and raise investor capital. Darwinex trading accounts will be automatically analyzed from the day the first trade is placed on the account, and you will have access to an account analysis page where you can easily monitor your account and manage your trading strategies. You will be able to choose which strategies you follow and set privacy levels for the strategies you develop. Creating an account with Darwinex may take up to 24 hours, but it's a simple, straightforward process, and you can open an account with a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the Darwinex homepage, and then click on the Sign Up or Open a Trading Account button. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account and email address have been verified, you can log into the Darwinex client portal. On the Darwinex client portal, you will have access to your accounts. You can check your discounts, check on historical data, and view the Darwin IA. After your account has been set up and you are ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Darwinex. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, you have a nice and simple buy and sell order window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and the MetaTrader 4 trading platforms, you can visit the Darwinex Help Center, which covers a variety of topics for you to read through at any time to help you get started. If you are an absolute beginner and are looking for educational resources, you will find plenty of helpful articles and guides about trading basics, algorithmic trading, and everything else you need to know as a Darwinex trader by visiting their Help Center. Darwinex may seem highly advanced and complex at first glance, but when you use the resources provided with your demo account, then you will find that they are actually beginner-friendly, and once you get a hang of things, you might find yourself looking for trading strategies to follow and eventually building your own trading robots using their guides. They also provide a variety of educational videos, and you can check out their YouTube channel. Their YouTube channel covers a variety of trading videos that delve into many different trading topics for you to watch at any time. Overall, Darwinex is one of our favorite Forex brokers for algorithmic trading, and we recommend opening an account with them if you are interested in using their trading strategies, or if you are feeling confident enough to start building your own strategies and trading robots. If you are ready to take your trading to the next level and automate your trades in ways that give you a massive competitive advantage in the markets, then why not open an account today and see for yourself how automating your trades with Darwinex can be a total game changer. And that is our overview of Darwinex. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.